could go wrong?
Nothing.
With our hot ovens and trays, our bags and coats, if we spill things on the floor and our ingredients.
We're going to work our way through the ingredients, okay, and add them in. I'm going to also do it at the same time so that you can.
Oh, so that's why that's free.
Yeah, I'm doing one as well.
Jodie, what do you think?
They need a bit of flavour, don't they? So they're all right. It's your basic cookie, but I think you need to jazz it up a bit.
What have you written down there?
Food.
Look, rotten food wouldn't work, would it?
Poo, eggs, none of these are going to work, let's be honest. Horse poo, we had cow tongue. I mean, we're talking pretty mean.
Oh, just cow tongue and then I had to call like mooey biscuits.
I don't think we're going to be making those.
No, but if they were tasty, if you could make something tasty, there's probably something that people would enjoy if you made it a really disgusting thing. I can imagine kids would want to buy cow tongue biscuits. So yeah.